The currently up for sale Pfizer baby food assets have a global reach. However, one of the main advantage and very attractive feature of this acquisition target is that about 80% of the baby food sales is generated in emerging markets and 50% especially from the Asia-Pacific region. Currently, Pfizer's strongest market in Asia is China. It ranks 5th in the Chinese baby food market and holds about 7% market value share. This is a growth platform which any multinational player would hugely benefit from on an attractive market like China. However, at the same time, Pfizer as an independent company has the weakness of the total absence from the North American baby food market, and its Western European presence is limited to the UK and Ireland. However, as an acquisition target, it could be turned into an advantage if these geographic markets are complementing to the buyer's geographic reach. The most highly anticipated buyer for the assets is Nestlé. Although Nestlé is the number one player in the overall Asia-Pacific baby food market, marginally ahead of Mead Johnson's, its weakest market is China. In 2005, it has been involved in a product safety scandal and it halved instantly its then held market value share, and ever since its performance hasn't recovered. In 2010, it was about 4%. In Nestlé's baby food strategy, addressing its weakness and slow performance in the Chinese market is a very important objective. With the purchase and integration of the Pfizer assets, it would strengthen its presence in China and consolidate its leading position in the overall Asia-Pacific market. Danone was also one of the potential buyers for the asset, and although it could do well with the additional brand equity and positions with the Pfizer acquisition, however, currently in Danone's baby food operations, there's a larger market gap, which is the North American and Latin American markets, where in both regions the company holds very weak positions currently. The Pfizer assets priced at around $10 billion and it's quite a large investment from any companies, and if it doesn't address the weakest point within their operations, then it has to evaluate the return on investment ratio with this potential acquisition. So the most highly anticipated buyer is Nestlé.